Hello, this is Will Berkeley from TLG Learning in Bellevue, Washington. In response to the current health concerns, Microsoft is offering free use of Teams, an excellent program for communication, especially for team members who are working remotely or in different physical locations, or if you need to stay home. This short video will help introduce some of the communication features of this program. We're going to be looking at the benefits of Teams and three of the communication features. Chat, which is essentially like instant messaging for within the Teams program. The calendar, which is similar to Outlook, but allows you to create meetings and invite people to meetings without having to go into Outlook. And then calls, where you can actually make phone calls from within Teams. Some of the benefits of Teams is that it allows easy communication with your team members whether they are together or not, and it allows for both synchronous and asynchronous communication. It's a single interface for all your team communication because it merges multiple modes of communication into a single interface. It will also keep the data and the communication distinct for each project and is very flexible to your specific needs. So let's take a look at the interface. On the left-hand side is the Apps panel, the Apps bar, where you can see the different components of Teams. For example, there's chat and the calendar and calls. Next to it is the content pane, where depending on which app you have selected, you'll see various content and then the specific detail for the item that you have selected. So if I'm in the chat panel and I want to start a new chat, I simply click on the new chat button, type in the name of somebody. If I click on the button and type in the name of somebody that I've already chatted with in the past, Teams will remember and continue that chat thread. When I come to the calendar, it's very similar to the calendar in Outlook. If I want to create a meeting and invite people, I can either click the new meeting button or simply click and drag the area of time and day that I want the meeting to be conducted. Then I can type in the name of the meeting and invite the people that I want to attend. When I invite them, they will receive in Outlook and in Teams a notification of the meeting and have the option of accepting or declining that invitation. They will receive a notification in Outlook, and they'll see it also in the Teams calendar as well. By the way, if there's a need to communicate with those people before the meeting begins, I can begin a chat with those people specifically right here from within the calendar. When it's time for the meeting to start, I simply click on that meeting and click Join. I can enable either a microphone or a camera or both as I see fit. During the meeting, I can again enable either of those two media. I can also share parts of my screen, either the entire screen or a particular window within a screen. I can record the meeting, and I can even continue a chat session with those people as needed. In the calls component in Teams, I have the option of having a speed dial list and a contacts list where I can call people directly from within Teams if that service is enabled. I can also just simply dial somebody's number within Teams to make that call as well. So here we see the three prominent communication features of Teams: chat and calendar and calls. This will help you when you're not able to be in the office to keep the business going if you can't be there personally. I hope this video has been helpful for you.